Welcome to the Acer showroom. Today we're looking at the 2026 Yamaha XT125R.
The Yamaha XT125R has long been known for its simplicity, reliability, and go-anywhere attitude. Looking toward 2026, the XT125R is expected to carry forward this heritage with a modern touch, appealing to riders who want a practical, approachable motorcycle for daily use and light adventure. Engine and performance. Expectations. The 2026 Yamaha XT125R is anticipated to feature a small displacement, fuel-efficient engine designed for smooth power delivery rather than outright speed. This kind of setup traditionally favors low maintenance, easy handling, and confidence for beginner riders, while still being capable enough for experienced users who value simplicity. Design and riding ergonomics. In terms of design, the XT125R is expected to maintain its classic dual sport styling upright posture, long travel suspension, and a lightweight frame. These characteristics typically make the bike comfortable in city traffic and capable on rough or uneven roads, giving riders flexibility across different riding conditions. Technology and features. While the XT125R line is known for minimalism, the 2026 version may include subtle modern updates such as improved fuel injection efficiency, refined instrumentation, and enhanced braking components. The focus is likely to remain on durability and ease of use rather than complex electronics. Practicality and everyday use. One of the strongest points of the Yamaha XT125R concept is everyday practicality. Low fuel consumption, manageable seat height, and simple mechanics make it an ideal option for commuting, learning, or weekend rides. For many riders, this balance is what defines the XT experience. The 2026 Yamaha XT125R represents the idea of accessible motorcycling, lightweight, dependable, and versatile. While official specifications may evolve, the spirit of the XT125R is expected to remain the same: a motorcycle built for freedom, simplicity, and real-world riding. Thank you for listening to acershowroom.no, and welcome again to the channel where motorcycles speak for themselves.